Welcome to the Suffolk Observatory tutorial on dual maps. Dual maps can be found on the bottom tabs. You may have to scroll to find it. Once you find it, just click on the icon. Dual maps allows you to produce a scatter diagram by comparing and contrasting two indicators at the same time, so you can see the correlation between them. Okay, and when you click on it, you get the opportunity to choose which geography you're interested in. For each geography, you've got a map and a table. For this exercise, I ignore the table, and so we click on the ward in this case. It then opens up the dynamic map for a dual ward. This has been preloaded with all the possible indicators on the site, so you can then compare and contrast any of those indicators. Because there's a lot of indicators, it can take quite a bit of time. I've removed that by pausing to speed it up for you. So it opens up like this. You can choose which indicators are by clicking on the data button for the first indicator. So at the moment it's defaulted to bus stops. You can then choose which theme you're in. So we'll just randomly choose one in crime and community safety, antisocial behaviour, total per 1,000 population in this case, and then the year that I'm interested in. Just go for the latest set. Okay, so that's the first indicator set, and the dynamic map that's associated with it will be displayed in due course. We can then move on to the second one. Okay, all takes a bit of time. So the same procedure applies. Data. This time we'll choose one out of the education and skills. Early year attainment. Pupils achieving 6 or more points. And then whichever academic year we're interested in. So we'll go for academic year 9-10 on this occasion. Okay, and then once loaded, the dynamic map will be updated with that, and the associated correlation chart will be displayed, summarising the comparison. Each of these points is one ward, as we've selected ward level. And if you hover over any of them, it tells you which particular ward. So you can start to look for outliers. You can also start to see whether there's a trend line and whether there's a positive or negative correlation. So in this particular case, you can see there's a slight tendency for there to be a decrease in pupils achieving 6 or more points if the antisocial behaviour is higher in a particular area. Thanks for listening. Hope you've enjoyed the tutorial.